Honorable Chief Guest, respected principals of the schools, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a very good morning to you. My name is Zainab Mohammad Hanif Khan. I study in 6th standard of Dr. Zakir Hussain Urdu High School. Today I am here to speak few words on the occasion of Republic Day. Our country India consists of a democratic and secular system, and 2 days are very important in this dear country. Both of them have very bright and shining history. Both of them indicate our existence and dignity. This day has been blessed by happiness, long-term effort, sacrifice of life and property, and enthusiasm to make this country free. Otherwise, even today we would have lived in the slavery of the British and would have died, because before that our country was in the possession of the British rule, who hanged our innocent people, violated the honor and dignity of mothers and sisters, killed thousands of scholars without hesitation, and India was made hotbed of brutality, was fought against the British in 1857, and in it the Indians were defeated, but did not lose heart, but fought with high spirits and marched forward. However, Tipu Sultan, Ashfaqullah Khan and Sayyid Ahmad Shahid have sacrificed their lives for this. Similarly, Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Subhash Chandra Bose and people like him came to this field and got this India freed from the Britishers on 15th August 1947, and people breathed a sigh of relief and considered themselves free. But after that, another big problem was what should be the constitution of our country. Democracy or minority, religious or non-religious, monarchy or military, capitalism system or socialism. Because our country was a mixture of regions. But keeping these things above, a committee was formed under the leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to make the country a democratic country, and the law of our country was drafted after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days of continuous struggle and sweat. And on January 26, 1950, our constitution was implemented in our country, and that is why on this day we hoist our flag and show proof of our freedom and democracy. On this auspicious occasion, let us all take a pledge of unity and solidarity by keeping caste, creed and color above all. Now, without taking much of your time, I will end my talk with this poem of Allama Iqbal. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुल सिता हमारा, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदू सिता हमारा हमारा. Thank you.